on Wednesday, Gary. What are we doing?
We're in Tom's XY going on Wandin.
We're in Allen. Tom has got footy training tonight, and he said, mate, I want my car at the car show, so go pick it up and take it down. So picked Gary up from school, changed his clothes. I'm still in my work gear. Now we're going to Wandon in Allen, the GT that we built in 3 weeks. You're probably going to see all the other videos before this, so this is my first official drive other than around the block, and it feels like I've got Dad's car. I'm taking Dad's car for a drive, and if I bend it, he's going to kill me. What do you reckon, Gaz? You're going to have to talk up, like, shot.
I don't know what to do.
Amazing. Alright, see how it goes. We'll give it a hoof.
Yeah.
It'd be good if I could get the gears.
How many miles has it done on this engine?
This engine,
Yeah.
it's done over 20 years of miles.
No.
This has been in all of Tom's cars. Tom's first XYU, this motor was in that. That's where it got built. So it's about 450 horsepower. Then it went into his XA GT. Then it come out of that and he put the original motor back in the GT. Out of the GT he built the XR. The motor went into the XR. Then he pulled that out and put a 289 back in that one. And he's put a new set of bearings in this now. So it's the same motor from 20 years ago. Tom, in Allen, at Wandon, without you, son. about the bloody door cards. Bloody Mickey boy.
That is.
Love you, Mick. We've got a few more XYs to build, so get on board. You won't.
Who's this undesirable? Oh, there you go.
Is that registered?
Yep. Alright, Gary and I walking around Wandon. This thing's been around for a few years now.
Never seen this.
All engineered. I need mine engineered. Alright, it's cool. Nice. Get all the spoolie boys happening. Rob's Torrey.
And once you do it, like, yes, pull up at the traffic light, come through the top of the or whatever. You stand here, you can
Yeah.
It's been 4 months. 5 hours is not much in 3 months. Motivation is 1 hour a month. Exactly.
Yep, XR. It's got a bench seat in the GT trim. That.
It's very good.
As you do. My 2 young kids. What a day for Gary and I, having the privilege of driving Alan, Tom's beautiful GT replica. Mate, big shout out to you. I love that you let me drive it when you were in the car, but letting me take the car to a car show, cruise it around. Everyone absolutely loves this car. They can't believe how long it took us to build, 3 weeks. So yeah, this thing has been an absolute dream to drive, mate. And I hate you because I want to change mine so bad, or I want to buy another one, and that means I'm going to get divorced because Tanya will kill me. But dude, we built a bloody killer car. What do you reckon, Gary?
It's the best.
And I know what I'll be killing right now looking at this footage going, those fucking door cards, oh, you. Well, I hope everyone's liked the build on this car. I've loved it, and we're going to have another video where we're going to put it on my hoist. Did I mention I got a hoist? We're going to put it on the hoist and go through underneath, have a few tins. We're which is a bit unusual for us. And we'll go through the build, and knowing him and I, we can't remember anything, so stay tuned. Thanks again, Tom, you're an absolute amazing person, so like, comment, subscribe, stick around.
You won't?
You won't? What an absolute gem. Can't believe you let us take it. Absolutely love it.